Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful taupey cool toned smoky eye to share. I think this look is gorgeous. It's a really nice transition look from summer to fall as well. A nighttime, date night kind of look, and it's using the SheGlam Rick and Morty eyeshadow palette. All the links and information on Shein will be in the description box. I'm going to start off by using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer and the I Heart Revolution Peach Powder under the eye to catch fallout, because there is a bit of fallout with this palette, especially the darker shades. Look how beautiful the packaging is, that even the plastic overlay of the shadows. And I'm going to be taking this cool toned nude shade. It's just the lightest brown in the palette. I'm using that on a crease brush, and at first I'm kind of going to press that in the crease, and then I'm going to kind of sweep to blend that up. And these eyeshadows, like always, blend really easy, blend and build up very easy, like effortlessly. The SheGlam eyeshadows are amazing. So I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette, which is this brown, and it's such a pretty color, and I'm taking that on a fluffy brush too, but I'm kind of taking the shade on the side of the brush and patting that in the outer corner and bringing it up into the crease. And I will build that up until I am satisfied with the color payoff. And once that's done, I'm going to blend those together, and it doesn't take no time at all. And then the next shade I'm taking is this beautiful taupe shade at the top. And they do have names as well. You know, I haven't learned the names of the palette yet. And I keep holding it up and the video sped up, and obviously it's going by too fast. But we will just see what the color is. And I got some eyeshadow on the inner corner, and I just applied that with a flat shader brush. And now we're going to apply some more color back to the outer corner, blending that with the lid shade. I'm also going to be taking this NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin and a fluffy eyeshadow brush to do my brow area, to highlight my brow. So I'm going to apply that under the brow, and then I will blend this down into the crease. Once again, I keep blending, but they blend effortlessly. It's amazing. I'm wiping away fallout, and I'm taking the shimmery shade actually and putting it on the lower lash line. I'm taking this Sinful Colors eyeshadow in Proud, and I'm going to use that in my inner corner because I wanted some light brought into my inner corner. So while I'm applying that, I'm just going to say, I know you can hear the tippy taps of the dog, you can hear Connor watching cartoons, but this is the only day I have free to film this voiceover, so it just is what it is. And that was AOA Studio Seize the Day eyeliner, and this is just a random nude eyeliner from Dollar General. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these half lashes are from the same haul you saw the SheGlam palette, Rick and Morty palette in. And because they're half lashes, I find that they're incredibly easy to apply. I'm still getting a little used to them, like I didn't get them perfectly on. You know, it is what it is. And SheDoes mascara to match my real lashes with my false lashes. And this Rimmel Kate lipstick in number 45. This is just the lipstick that I had closest to me, and I thought it still matched the look. So it's nude pink. I'm always in a rush when I film these now because I'm trying to rush off and go pick Connor up at school. Love how the look came out. I love how the eyeshadows performed, like always in the SheGlam eyeshadow palettes. They're amazing. Don't sleep on them. Shein will be linked in the description box, as well as a product list. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will try to look out for yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.